Hi guys, welcome to episode number 87, Chaffles for Life, mozzarella cheese, cinnamon Chaffles. I made something similar to this before there and I wanted to try a different recipe just using my own idea. So I took 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, shredded of course, 2 eggs at room temperature, and then I added about 1/4 of a teaspoon of Psyllium husk powder going into the measuring cup. And then I took about 1/2 a tablespoon of cinnamon and I mixed everything all together. Now instead of using the mini dash, we used the bigger dash that I had. And this particular dash device makes 4 Chaffles all at once. And what's really cool about the Chaffle device that'll be coming up in the video is, it's got a little drip tray on the side of it, and so if you make a mess, it's going to go on that instead of a paper plate and everything. And then I had cleaned it up prior to making my Chaffles, and once the light was ready, it pretty much works the same as the other one. And the light went on green when it was ready to take the Chaffles off, and then I ended up taking some cinnamon, sprinkled them on top of the already cinnamon Chaffles that I had made with a little bit of Choc Zero, and that was my breakfast for that particular morning. And these came out really great. Now you can see me, I was just really careful. I had enough in the measuring cup to make 4 of these. And I didn't want to burn them or overcook them, and they came out really good. And I would encourage you to keep trying with these recipes that I've been making. I hope you've really been enjoying the Chaffles for Life series, and again, we have a booklet that we picked up on Amazon. The link is in the show more if you want to get that copy of the book there and give you some ideas on what you can make with Chaffles. But Chaffles are a great bread replacement, and I make quite a bit of these. If I had a house there, I'd be investing in some chickens and I'd have my own eggs and wouldn't have to keep buying them all the time. But it is what it is. Eggs are a good source of protein, and they are going to be okay for us to have on carnivore. We do carnivore for the month of July. Then I closed the lid over here very carefully, and then when that light went from orange to solid green, and they were ready for me to pull off. And then I'll come back and talk about it over towards the end of the video over here. Okay, so our Chaffles are pretty much done. You can see I was just pointing at each individual one to show you what they look like. There was a little bit of over spillage on the right side of those 2 Chaffles there, but they were fine. The eggs still cooked anyways, and I was just carefully pulling them off with the fork there. They weren't really that hot there, and they were sticking together a little bit, so I was just pulling them apart with my fingers there, and to give you an idea how to make these using this particular bigger device. And again, the cleanup is very simple. I just took a damp piece of paper towel, put it over the top, and closed the lid. And over here, I was just putting these on the cooling rack a little bit. And just wanted to kind of show you, get a better thumbnail of what they look like. What I ended up doing was I ended up putting these on a paper plate, and then at the end I put some Choc Zero and a little more cinnamon on top. And there you have it. And then that's me putting the damp paper towel on top. And I did a double sheet of paper towel and just closed the lid, and then I moved that out of the way so I can get my thumbnail. Be careful because that will be hot, by the way, so you might want to let it cool down for a little while. And then you have 4 Chaffles over there, and then again I sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon on top, and like you see me over here doing in the video. And then I took some of that great Choc Zero, and I just eyeball a lot of things. I don't actually measure it that much, and they came out really good, and I really enjoyed these. And again, I just encourage you guys to keep on trying, and never give up on weight loss, or don't give up on life. It's just too short, too precious right now. And I can just keep encouraging you the best I can. It's just to take one day at a time, because that's all I'm doing, and that's all we can really do. 1 minute, 1 moment at a time. And hope for the best, and hope that your day is going good as mine is going. And you know what? At the end of the day, you got to see another life and another day on a planet. If you watch my videos, you got to see another one of my great videos that I make. And those came out really good. And then towards the end here, I just give it a thumbs up because I really enjoy these. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. And if you got something, ideas you want me to make or recipes, let me know and give me a shout. And we'll see if we can get it together. Have a great day, guys. Oh, I meant to tell you one more thing. If anybody hasn't told you this lately, you guys are amazing. Love you guys.